Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Miss Global 2025. We're coming to you live from the dazzling city of Angel. This is Bangkok, Thailand.
We started this thrilling journey with 61 incredible women from all corners of the globe.
But before we review our top 12, let's see which of our beautiful contestants right here has captured the people's heart at the arena. Who are you cheering for?
Let's raise your flags high! Who do we have? India, Thailand, USA, Indonesia, Malaysia,
India.
Netherlands.
There's so many.
So many.
So many right here.
I'm actually so nervous and excited for them because I know how this feels and I know I'm going to be cheering.
Of course.
So, if you can cheer your country's name loud and proud.
Thank you.
But without further delay, let's find out who is moving on one step closer to take home the crown.
It's time to review the top 10 finalists as selected by our esteemed judges.
The first to move forward in the competition in no particular order is USA!
And also entering to the next round is Ecuador!
Earning the third spot is Mabuhay Philippines!
Stepping into the sweet sixth spot is Belarus!
Also advancing to the next round is Venezuela!
There are only 3 spots left. Earning the next one is Indonesia!
Walking down the ninth spot is Switzerland!
The tension is rising, only one last spot. Congratulations to Puerto Rico!
And here are 10 finalists, but that's not it. We have +2 because of your votes. So, who is it going to be? Coming into the top 12.
Right. So this year, the world has spoken through our official online voting platform, MissGlobal.onevoting.com, where fans from every corner of the globe have supported their favorite contestants. Now, let's be clear, this is purely the people's choice. The winner of Miss Global People's Choice is determined solely by the highest number of online votes. And here's a twist. She may not be in our top 20 or even standing on the stage right now.
But here is where it gets more exciting. Whoever wins the Miss Global People's Choice Award will automatically secure a place in the top 12.
That's right. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. The contestants with the highest number of votes from MissGlobal.OneVoting.com, Miss Global People's Choice, who will automatically advance to the top 12, is...
Who is it gonna be? I can't hear you!
Who's it gonna be? Congratulations to Czech Republic!
Congratulations to Czech Republic! You are Miss Global People's Choice, the voice of the global audience. And most importantly, you are now moving on to the top 12.
To everyone who votes, thank you for making your choice heard. This is proof that pageantry is more than just competition. It's about global unity, celebration, and support. And to our Miss Global People's Choice winner, your journey continues. See you in our top 12.
But that's not all.
That's right.
There's one more.
One more step.
One contestant will also have the chance to join the top 12 as voted by their fellow women as the sisterhood vote.
Your friends have now decided, and the results are in the next contestants that will join our top 12. With sisterhood
Malaysia.
vote goes to...
Malaysia, Thailand,
Who is it gonna be?
Samoa,
Whose vote goes to?
Malaysia,
Japan!
Japan.
Congratulations, Japan!
Welcome back.
You are now officially a part of the top 12.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. These are our top 12 right here. Round of applause! But before we move on, let's take a moment to thank to the ladies who will not be continued. Each of you has brought something truly unique to the competition. And while your journey may end here, your impact, present will remain unforgettable. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for all these beautiful ladies on the stage. Thank you.
And now here they are, your top 12 finalists. Congratulations to all of you for making it this far.
Our top 12. Will it be your favorite contestant who made it to the pinnacle stage? Only one that is wearing the crown of Miss Global 2025 this year. So keep cheering up for your favorite contestants.
One of these lucky ladies will be going home with a Miss Global 2025 crown.
Right?
Who is it going to be?
Up next, the stage will be set for the evening gown competition. Live from Vancouver.